झूमो नाचो गाओ यारो मजे करो, दुनिया में कभी न किसी से डरो।
खेल खेल में पासा पलटे मिट्टी बन जाए सोना।
झूमो नाचो गाओ यारो मजे करो, दुनिया में कभी न किसी से डरो।
खेल खेल में पासा पलटे मिट्टी बन जाए सोना। झूमो झूमो
नाचो नाचो,
झूमो झूमो
नाचो नाचो।
खुद पे भरोसा करे, कभी न किसी से करे, जीते हमेशा वही।
बाजुओं में दम हो तो हौसला न कम हो, तो हारे कोई ना कभी।
खुद पे भरोसा करे, कभी न किसी से करे, जीते हमेशा वही।
बाजुओं में दम हो तो हौसला न कम हो, तो हारे कोई ना कभी।
बीती बातें भूल भी जाओ, हो गया जो भी था होना।
झूमो नाचो गाओ यारो मजे करो, दुनिया में कभी न किसी से डरो।
खेल खेल में पासा पलटे मिट्टी बन जाए सोना। झूमो झूमो
नाचो नाचो,
झूमो झूमो
नाचो नाचो। कुछ है अनाड़ी यहाँ बने जो खिलाड़ी, यहाँ पर चाल उल्टी चले।
यारों से जो चाले चले, ऐसी हेरा फेरी करे, खुद ही तमाशा बने।
कुछ है अनाड़ी यहाँ बने जो खिलाड़ी, यहाँ पर चाल उल्टी चले।
यारों से जो चाले चले, ऐसी हेरा फेरी करे, खुद ही तमाशा बने।
औरों की जो हंसी उड़ाए, उसको भी पड़ता है रोना। झूमो नाचो गाओ यारो मजे करो, दुनिया में कभी ना किसी से डरो।
खेल खेल में पासा पलटे मिट्टी बन जाए सोना। झूमो झूमो
नाचो नाचो
झूमो झूमो
नाचो नाचो
जीत मेरी हार मेरी तेरी खुशी मेरी खुशी तूने कभी जाना कहा तुझे क्या है माना यहाँ तू है मेरी जिंदगी जीत मेरी हार मेरी तेरी खुशी मेरी खुशी तूने कभी जाना कहा तुझे क्या है माना यहाँ तू है मेरी जिंदगी प्यार तेरा चाहे लगे तुझको खोना
झूमो नाचो गाओ यारो मजे करो दुनिया में कभी ना किसी से डरो
खेल में पासा पल के मिट्टी बन जाए सोना
मिट्टी बन जाए सोना मिट्टी बन जाए सोना मिट्टी बन जाए सोना मिट्टी बन जाए सोना मिट्टी बन जाए सोना मिट्टी बन जाए सोना
Shiri, Dustin, Ram, Sonakshi. Can I please have you all over here by the stage, please? Everybody else, please make sure that you're enjoying, making sure that you're getting a lot of drinks, food, cotton candy, face painting, 360 booth. Just enjoy. And the next few minutes we'll be doing something special for all of you guys. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, hello. How are we doing tonight? Oh, no. That's not good enough for me. I'm going to ask you one more time. How are we doing tonight? That's better. We are here to celebrate Annika's first birthday. Make some noise. And some more noise because we're also here to celebrate love. 10 years Ajay and Deepika have been together. So again, let's make some noise for 10 years of marriage. Who here has been married for at least 10 years? Raise your hand. It's about maybe like a fourth of you, half of you. Yeah, 5 years, 5 years. Anybody? No? More than 20? We got some hands. Yeah, we got some hands. Awesome. I see you. Yep. So my name is Henna Shah. I'm a friend of Ajay's. We perform together. You guys know how crazy he is. He was emceeing his own event just earlier, but my pleasure to be your MC for tonight. And without further ado, if I could please direct everyone's attention to the screen for a highlight video. Now, this isn't any highlight video. This is going to be the most entertaining video you will ever see from our one and only 1-year-old, Annika. So please, everyone, attention to the screen, please. Thank you.
One more time, everybody, clap hand for Annika. Make some noise, yay! Annika! Annika and Mom right here. Aww. It's first. Hi, Annika. Say hello to everybody.
Happy birthday Karina, baby लो
कैसा है मेरा बच्चा? हाय अनिका. ये एक और? हाँ? हाय गुड़िया. अनिका बेबी, शेरी बेबी, प्यारी प्यारी बेबी. डैडी की प्रिंसेस, मम्मी की पारी, अनिका बेबी.
कौन बोले? अच्छा
क्या करना है अभी? बाहर जाना है घूमने? घूमने जाना है?
Anika, clap, 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 clap.
There it is. Make some noise for that beautiful highlight video. That was Annika's first year. Man, only Ajay can go from Jab koi baat E-I-E-I-O or Suno na sangamarmar to Baby Shark doo 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 doo. Only he can. All right, so without further ado, the guests of honor for the weekend, for this night, sorry, for the weekend. Yeah, for the weekend. This is your weekend, man. Make some noise for Ajay, Deepika, and our princess, Annika.
की डोली में परियों की झोली में शहजादी आई मेरी. चंदा की डोली में परियों की झोली में शहजादी आई मेरी. चंदा की डोली में परियों की झोली में खुशियाँ वो लाई मेरी. पलकों के दर से वो आँखों के घर में रहे. ख्वाबों को सच होने दे. पलकों के दर से वो आँखों के घर में रहे.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Princess Annika.
दुआ में उसको ही मांगा सदा.
And one more round of applause for the couple of the evening, Ajay and Deepika.
परियों की झोली में शहजादी आई मेरी. ओ आने से उसके यहाँ महका है सारा समा.
Ladies and gentlemen, once more, make some noise for our Chuchu family!
अब ये ज़मीन आसमां
मुझको कितना बताए कोई कैसे तुझसे दिल ना लगाए कोई रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है हुस्न की खाली तिजोरियां काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं
Now that's an upgrade, baby!
पतझड़ के मौसम में भी रंगी चनारों जैसी झनके सन्नाटों में तू वीणा के तारों जैसी
Make some noise!
सदियों से भी लंबी ये मन की अमावस्या है और तू फुलझड़ियों वाले त्योहारों जैसी चंदा भी दीवाना है तेरा जलती है तुझसे सारी चकोरियां काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां
If I can have the immediate family, please come to the stage for a quick picture, please. Immediate family of the churches to the stage, please. Thank you. Hands up, everyone, hands up! Vishu family. There it is. I love it. Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. Make some noise, people.
I want you all over here. Everybody, please come on over here. Sumeda, Parvez, Zuli, everyone, Devangi, Dhiren, everyone, Shreya, her husband, Sandeep, everybody, Puneet, come on over. Everybody over here, everybody. Deepika, yeah. Why do you go like that? She always does that. She just disappears and she'll be behind me. Deepika, where you at? मैं आपके पीछे हूँ. अरे पीछे मत घूम. मेरे पीछे दूसरे पड़े हैं. Just kidding. आगे आइए. Sonal, come on. Yogi, come on, everybody. Let's do a big, gigantic. We're gonna make this the best ever. First birthday, 10th anniversary, and we couldn't have done it without you guys. You all have made this possible. Love you all. लाइट्स बंद करें. अब क्या करें? ऑन करें. अच्छा ठीक है. ऑन करने के लिए पायल आ गई है. पायल आइए. पायल जहां जब एंट्री मारती है लाइट खुद ही. तूने मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार टंग टंग टंग. ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो. गिव मी 1 second है ना. वी गोना ग्रैब एवरीबॉडी. वरुण केम छो શું થયું? ड्रिंक बसी करो. આવી જાઓ. एवरीबॉडी प्लीज कम ऑन. डॉक्टर निशा सुंदर, वेरी सुंदर. गोपाल आ गई हैं. मैं इतना स्माइल करता हूं उसका राज यही है. ये मेरे दांत को स्माइल करने देती है. संजना, डैडी इज कॉलिंग यू ओवर देयर. और hey, Hussein and Daniel, if we still have some more CO2, we should utilize it now, like right after I say something. I keep saying, but you know, hey Yamini, अरे कितनी जल्दी आ गया. बस अभी हम सोने वाले थे. और देवियों सज्जनों, आप सभी का स्वागत है. अरे माता जी, आप इधर क्या कर रही हैं? आइए. पापा जी, आप अकेले क्यों आए इधर? आए. ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? हाँ, मैं यहाँ तो वहाँ. ऐसा क्यों हो गया? आज झगड़ा हो गया क्या घर में? हमारा 10 साल से हो रहा है झगड़ा, इसलिए आज सेलिब्रेशन किया है. आइए पिताजी के साथ आइए. हाँ, बच्ची रोएगी ही. 1 साल से बच्ची रो ही रही है. हमने ऐसे ही पाला है. अनिका, आई लव यू. Anika has been. Sneha, what's up? So good to see you. So good to see. ओए वीनू, ओए. अरे भाई, पर्ल की दुकान आ गई. किसी को पर्ल खरीदा है? ले लो पर्ल, ले लो. फ्रेश पर्ल अभी लाइए ये पर्ल. अरे डायमंड भी लाइए यार. पहले नहीं आई. मैं अभी गोल्ड की रिंग खरीद के लाया हूँ. वेस्ट हो गया पैसा. डिस्काउंट में मिलता है यार. आप लोग करीब आइए. Because we all need to be in here. Janam, give me 1 second. Do me one favor. There's some taller people. You can be like in the back and not so tall. Can we come up front? There's some people who I can't see. Isha, yes. Jaya, baby, come. Kids, come up front. आप लोग क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन कर रहे? आइए सर, आपको मैं स्पेशल इनविटेशन दूं. एक और आपको 5 इवाइड भेजा, उसके बाद में एक बार रिस्पॉन्स आया. मेरा मीदम किधर? अरे मीदम, ये हमारा मीदू हीरो. सॉलिड, वेरी नाइस. Everybody, can we give a round of applause to Janam, my amazing DJ tonight from Karma DJs with Yogi. Yeah, Yogi कहाँ है? Yogi sir, pranam. Yogi is awesome. I love him. He's always been supportive. आंटी जी आइए. अरे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना. इंडिया भेज रहे हैं ये फोटो. सभी बोलेंगे ओहो क्या फोटो लिया है. Anybody else? चलो, okay. Can we have the loudest noise? Om Shanti Om. We're gonna do a flash mob Make sure when you hear Om Shanti Om, we're gonna do this and make this viral. सभी साला अपने को जानेंगे इसके बाद. 1, 2,
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है
Everybody look at the camera. Look at this video camera. Let's sing it together, okay?
अगलो होश नमीदानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी दीवानगी दीवानगी
Here we go, everybody. Oh,
hot girls put your hands up and say
Om Shanti.
all the cool boys come on make some noise and say Shanti
One more time. Natasha, keep going, everybody. Keep going. Natasha, come here. Come here, Natasha. Hurry up. Sister, come. Everybody who's sitting, join us. This is a celebration. Don't wait. There's no waiting. Time passes. Come on, everybody. Come on. Come on, Bobby. Let's go. You can change to any other hype song, but everybody, 1, 2, 3, make some noise! I don't hear you. One more time. 1, 2, 3, make noise!
रेशम रेशम
Hey, 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 hey.
ये तो इशारे हैं अगलो होश नबीदानम हम हैं दिल
Thank you.
जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है पान में पुदीना देगा नाक का नागिना देगा चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देखा छानने से डर हो के चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा मेरी बात तेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात थाली में कटोरा लेगा आलू भात पूरी भात मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का इसमें भूत कोई चढ़ा है खैर ना जाने
Ruben rocks tonight and match that energy on the dance floor ladies tonight. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? Let me hear it. Please take your seats, ladies and gentlemen. Please take your seats. Take your seats. Make some noise for our Choo Choo family as we celebrate so many milestones today. Annika's first birthday and 10 years of marriage. Make some noise for our Choo Choo family. Thank you. Ajay's father and mother, Beena and Kedarnath Chunchu, to the stage, please, to say some words.
Good evening, everybody. I hope you all had fun till now. And very, very, very happy to see everybody, our family and friends, to celebrate our baby Angel's first birthday. And I couldn't thank God to send that baby in our family. Secondly, to celebrate my son Ajay and Deepika's 10 years of togetherness, love, ups and downs in life, yet together with so much of love. And I'm going to sing a few lines for my baby Anika. I hope everybody will enjoy that. It's a little poor, old song, but still I'm sure everybody will enjoy. मेरे घर आई ओ मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी चांदनी के हसीन रथ पे सवार मेरे घर आई उसके आने से मेरे जीवन में खिल उठे फूल गुनगुनाई बहार देख कर उसको जी नहीं भरता चाहे देखूं उसे हजारों बार चाहे देखूं उसे हजारों बार मेरे घर आए जूही की कली मेरी लाडली चंपे की कली मेरी लाडली हो आस किरण जुग जुग तो जिए नन्ही सी परी मेरी लाडली ओ मेरी लाडली जूही की कली मेरी लाडली नाजों से पली मेरी लाडली ओ आस किरण जुग जुग तो जिए नन्ही सी परी मेरी लाडली ओ मेरी लाडली जुग जुग जियो मेरी अनिका God bless you abundantly now and forever. Now Mr. Chunchu, the head of the family, is going to say a few words.
Very few words. Very few words. Hi, good evening, everybody. It's so nice to see all of you here to celebrate the 10th anniversary of our son's, younger son's marriage anniversary. I'm really so grateful to all of you guys. God bless this pair and may go a long way still. So this guy, AJ, has come a long way in his entertainment industry. Has been working so hard since last 10 years, and he has been doing a great job entertaining the Houston and other public. And I hope he continues his line to a very good success, and wish him all the best for the family, for Anika Chunchu Singh, and wish him all the best.
Dear family and friends, not but last but least, we are welcoming Deepika Chunchu's parents, Uma Singh and Ajay Singh, to Houston. And we really have great pleasure to announce this. Thank you so much.
One more round of applause for Ajay's parents, please. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite Amit Bhai, Megha Bhabhi, and our very well-dressed Kian to the stage, please. Unless he wants to chill there, that's totally fine. To please say some words. Thank you.
Well, welcome everybody. It's so nice to see everyone here tonight to celebrate Anika's first birthday and Ajay Deepika's wedding anniversary. I'd just like to say a few words. On this very special day, we celebrate this amazing little girl, our little ray of sunshine who brings so much beauty and joy into our lives. From the moment she entered this world, we knew she was so special. Her kind and positive energy is truly very, very contagious, and it's really impossible not to feel the love that she radiates. We hope that you may never lose that fire within you. May you always stay true to yourself, to chase your dreams with the passion and inspire everybody else around you to do the same. Happy birthday, our darling Anika. The world is so much brighter with you in it. We love you so, so much that words can never express that.
She actually said it all. Welcome everybody. It's a pleasure seeing the entire family. I've missed out a couple of events last time, but this reunion is special. Very happy 10th wedding anniversary to my sweetheart brother Ajay and darling Deepika. Happy birthday to Anika. Oh, well, I have a son, but I truly feel daughters are special. They are every father's pride, every mother's best friend to be. They grow up to be best friends of their mothers. And I guess we're really blessed to have a daughter like Anika. She's a beautiful girl. Our lives have changed since the time she has arrived. And as we say, Bade Papa, a bigger father in a family, I promise to fulfill every wish that she has all her life. I take an oath. Anything and everything that she wants, even if her father denies, I'm going to be there and take care of that. Thank you again. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.
She truly is the void in our life that Ajay and Deepika has felt. We love you both a lot, but Anika is the essence of our life. She is adorable. We love her. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the evening, everybody.
Thank you. I would now like to invite Manisha and Neil, the besties for the resties. Please make some noise for Manisha and Neil.
Man, I think 22 years I've known this guy, and I have learned so much from you. I've learned how to dress like him. Trust me, I used to wear shorts and chappals everywhere. But now, well, only on weekends. But I have learned a lot from this guy. I've been best friends with him. He's got the biggest heart that it can hold everyone in this room, and even more people. He's got a heart of gold, and every time I look at him, he inspires me to live life like there's no tomorrow. He is always happy. He makes everyone else happy, and he even makes his own family happy all the time. Thank you for inspiring me always, man.
आजा भाई आजा भाई हाँ
कोई एक शेर है
नहीं you guys probably hear me talk about Ajay at every event we have, so it's so nice to see everyone here as we celebrate this beautiful couple. And more than that, they're true testimonial of love, our little sweet baby girl Anika. And what a best way to put love in a picture or love in real life, to hold that little baby girl, right? Just like Neil said, this guy, man, you know, family, we're born to love each other, especially in our culture. You're like, that's your brother, you gotta do this. That's your sister, you gotta do this. But when we have a choice to love someone as a friend and beyond that, is a gift that not very many people share. And it's beautiful that I call you guys our friends, and beyond that, family. We love you so much, and hope the best for you and our little baby Annika. So we're celebrating 10 years of love, and this guy is so full of love that एक शायर तो बनता है, right? प्यार नहीं, शेर नहीं, ड्रावना नहीं,
Okay.
प्यार वाला. प्यार वाला.
I'm not as good as AJ, but I wrote something for Anika from AJ that he's probably gonna say all the time. प्यारा है दिल, प्यारी है ये परी, दिल ने कहा इसे कि बस पास रहो यही.
लेकिन अनिका से पहले दीपिका. अनिका से फिर से. नहीं, फिर से ये.
प्यारा है दिल, प्यारी है ये परी, दिल ने कहा इसे कि बस पास रहो यही.
फिल्मी.
मैं कल से जिंदगी भर कोई शायरी नहीं करूंगा. इतनी अच्छी शायरी करता है मेरा दोस्त.
नहीं, गूगल से निकाला.
आज इसकी शायरी सुनने के पहले मैं डैश डैश क्यों नहीं गया.
अभी दीपिका के लिए.
एक और है.
अभी दीपिका.
दीपिका के लिए. होल्ड ऑन. जान है यही और दिल भी यही, जान भी यही और दिल भी यही, तेरे साथ हर दिन बस जिंदगी चली चली.
स्लो मोशन में.
I can't stand, but ये सब बोलने के पहले क्यों नहीं ये सब तेरे दिल में ही रही.
All right. All right, guys, we're going to play a quick game. It's a fun game just to see how this beautiful couple has survived 10 years of their life together.
क्या कही. Sorry.
Okay. Wow.
शाबाश. बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स चेंज करो.
This is how we have spent the last 20 years of our life. All right, can we get 2 chairs over here, please? इसको उठाने की आदत हो गई है. So most of you have probably seen the shoe game, which is played at weddings. But since these guys eloped and got married in India, we didn't get a chance to celebrate this game. And they love. And they only had chappals in India, so since this is called a shoe game, we're bringing it to America. I don't know if you guys are all familiar with this game, but it's very simple. So I'll give you an example of one question, but I would love participation from you guys. So just scream out either Ajay or Deepika, and we're gonna see how well we know these guys, okay? So just to give you an example, the first question, simple, very simple. Out of these two, who is the best singer? Oh my God, so easy. Everybody got it. Deepika! Deepika is definitely the better singer. All right, we're gonna start. So I want you guys to yell out Deepika or Ajay, okay? And I guess if Ajay loses, he can't buy another diamond ring since we already got one. But maybe change few more poopy diapers, okay? Okay. Okay, out of these guys, who do you think is more romantic? Whoa! 50-50. 50-50. This is ये राज है 10 साल की beautiful life का 50-50. Who said I love you first? Ajay, you didn't. Ajay, आपके जूते कहाँ हैं भाई? All right. Who takes the longest time to get ready? Ajay, you're lying. We all know you. That's not true. Ajay, that is not true. So you can put the shoe down. Not everything shiny has to shine all the time. So the other shoe, please. All right. Who has collection of more perfumes or colognes? Who is the biggest crybaby in the relationship? Who changes the most dirty diapers? We have a dispute. Let's discuss this. रात सर जी आपका एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या है?
सारी रात सोता हूं मैं, सुबह उठते ही डायपर बदलने बोलती है, लेकिन सारी रात डायपर ये बदलती है. तो हाँ, so she's the one.
Does anybody in the audience have a question for them? Bye. ए भाई बोलना. अभी तो कितना बोला था आपने आके. अभी बोलना ना भाई. Sunil has a question. Oh my daughter has a question.
Who plays more with Anika?
All right. Bobby has a question.
The most important question in a marriage is who says sorry first?
Ajay doesn't want to answer this question. Ajay भाई public figure है, कैसे बोलेगा कि वो पहले sorry बोलता है? Image खराब हो जाएगी. 50-50. सब 50-50. At least 50-50 तो कर यार.
मैं इस सवाल के जवाब को उठा नहीं सकता हूँ.
भाई सुनील शेट्टी की आवाज में भाई. सुनील शेट्टी की आवाज.
मैं अजय की आवाज में. अजय की आवाज में. अब बहुत सवाल है. रेडी हो तुम लोग? सबसे ज्यादा बर्तन कौन धोता है? Who does more vessels? Dishes. More to go. Who cooks more food at home? Who buys more food from outside? Who cleans the house more? Who takes Bruno out for a walk? Bro, you're losing. Vikram has a question.
Who likes cake the most?
Who likes cake the most? I love it. All right, one last question, and it's really important. We have more questions.
Who pays more attention to Bruno?
Good question.
Basically, the question is, does Ajay know Deepika's birthday and does Deepika know his birthday?
Go into what? question is, does Ajay know Deepika's birthday? Or does Deepika knows Ajay's birthday? आजकल technology है यार. Update आ जाता है.
फिर भी मैं खुद भूल जाता मैं भूल जाता हूँ कभी कभी. But yes.
अपना birthday, right? अभी यार 10 साल और निकालने हैं.
आज मैं भूल गया मेरा एनिवर्सरी है. तू बर्थडे की बात कर रही है?
Deepika? We both do. He never forgets. Otherwise, he's making it up with the ring, right? Okay, last question, you guys. I know everybody's getting hungry. Who's the... ये दोनों कौन है यार? ये मेरे दो...
Who dances more?
Boys 50-50. All right. The most important question and the last question. Y'all ready? When Anika grows up, ये देख भाई, तू गन ले ले अभी.
We actually pray. It's not possible, but we don't want Anika to ever grow up. We want her to be the same Anika for the rest of the life. I know it's not possible, but yes.
नहीं यार, तू बूढ़ा होने वाला है, तू एक्सेप्ट कर ले. अनिका जैसे ही बड़ी होती तू भी बड़ा होता जाएगा. ये बाल जो है ना, खत्म. Okay, last question. Don't look at each other. All right. When Anika grows up, whose personality do you want her to have? Okay, that's a good one. Thank you, guys. Oh, bye. We're gonna have another over-the-top Anika the Celebrity in the future as we celebrate her birthday. Thank you everyone for participating, and thank you everyone for being here celebrating this most amazing night of this beautiful couple and our baby Anika. Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha.
You know, we used to make fun of this song, and it's so real, yaar. आप जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए तो बाप बन जाए. बाप बन गया मैं. आओ. चीजी. पीछे वाले लोग खड़े क्यों हैं? आप लोग के भी सीट थे. बैठिए. So, you know, firstly, I want to thank each and everybody for coming over here. You know, taking your precious time out. Time is the most valuable asset which can never come back, and we love you all for sharing this time with us tonight in this celebration. My wife, Deepika, will start saying a few things now. You go first. ये 10 साल से चल रहा है. You go first. मैंने सोचा कि आज change होगा कुछ. Hi, how are you? Pradeep, my brother, I love you, man. My role model, right here. So I genuinely want to thank each and everyone here tonight. It's not going to be a speech. It's a special message. We haven't prepared it. Honestly, I know you hear it all the time. We haven't prepared it, this, that. But I just had a few seconds. But each and every one of you looks so beautiful, so good. All the kids. You know, special shout out to all the people who flew in. Our lovely Buaji, all the way from the north. Along with Samta. This little kiddo, Rahil. They came here. Look at this guy. This guy is on next level. Yeah. Hey, Rahil, come. Come here, Rahil. They took time out to come over here to celebrate and be a part of this. It definitely means a lot. And thank you, Rahil. Abhi baith jao. आपका जो टाइम था इतना ही था. बड़े होने के बाद में इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल लेना. So cute though. He really is awesome. I do want to extend my special thank you to my amazing parents, my mom, my dad, without who we would be nothing. We wouldn't be here. We couldn't have done what we have done tonight. Right, Deepika?
Definitely.
So thank you, Mom and Dad. Where you guys at? Mom and Dad, thanks for your blessings, support. So sweet of you all. We want to thank our Bhai and Bhabhi, Amit, Megha, who have moved here 3 years ago. And yeah, yes, he's a bigger and better actor than me. I mean, not in the relationship, on screen, on screen. But bhai kahan hai aap? But Patel, we have some producers, directors, and we have some people who are going to be sponsors. Parvez bhai, thank you for joining us for our next con. Talia ho jaye bhai. Are? We do have some amazing, you know, वो कपड़े बनाते हैं वो सॉलिड क्या बोलते हैं उनको डिजाइनर्स भी है वीनू गाबा है आज पर्ल्स इतने लेके आई हैं वो तो उन्होंने कहा अगला जो वीडियो होगा पर्ल दान दे देंगी but we want to come back on real talk. Bhai and Bhabhi, you have been our besties from day one. We found, you know, the best friends in you, and it would be hard for anybody in our lives to share the number of smiles, laughs, stories, you know, funny stories that we have shared, numerous get-togethers, singing nights, karaoke nights. We're just really grateful that God has blessed us with you both being our brother and sister-in-law and making it here to the U.S. So we love the bond that we share. Thank you. Coming to my princess, where is she at? Is she sleeping? We're almost done, guys, and then we're going to eat delicious dinner. Anika truly is the bestest gift God has ever given to us. Ever given to us. She gives us, we don't give her anything. She gives us a gift every single day. With her smiles, with her laughs, with her naughtiness. She's so funny, witty, full of life. From the special vibe which she brings to us, to the attitude she has stole all our hearts. People have just seen her on the Facebook, social media, but today I'm pretty sure you've seen her. Yeah, she was a little tired later on because she's been taking a photo session and everything since 5 p.m. But just want to tell Anika when she grows up, we're recording this, you have given us immense happiness, joy, and definitely some sleepless nights. But we all love you. And hoping you have a great start in life. Happy birthday to our little princess, our bundle of joy and happiness. दीपिका को बोलने नहीं दूंगा मैं क्योंकि वो चाहती नहीं थी. But lastly, last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, Deepika, my beautiful wife, you're not just beautiful outside, but you are truly beautiful inside and out. Marriages are definitely made in heaven, and it's a union of two souls, and you are my perfect soulmate. And I believe that you have been made for me. And I thank you each and every day of my life for always supporting me, loving me, and coming up all the way from the bottom. And we here. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Lots of love to each and everybody. Ajay, Deepika, Anika, the Chunchu family. We all love you all. Thank you, Janam. Thank you, everybody. Dinner is being served. And she now wants to say something. Dinner is being served right after Deepika. क्या है 10 साल से ऐसे ही करती है.
Hello, everyone. Would like to welcome everyone and thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us today to celebrate our Princess Anika's first birthday and our anniversary. It definitely has been the most beautiful day, a year, and of course, a decade. I'm so emotional today. My heart is so full. It's just been so, magical, so much of emotions. Speaking of Anika, just feel like I wish that I could, just pause time, just stop it, just freeze the moment so I can just be with her. We can just be with her, enjoy her to the fullest. Each day, this past year has gone by so fast that, I would never get this back. We did have good moments, we enjoyed it, but we're definitely looking forward to many more, but this past year will stay so close to our heart, definitely holds a special place in our heart. Anika has been such a blessing. She has given us so much love, so much joy. As he mentioned earlier, we haven't done anything for her as parents.
You just said you haven't done anything? You did a lot. I just said you did a lot. You did so much. She is the one who takes care of her all night long. Honestly, I sleep well. So thank you for your sleepless nights and being the mother, that amazing mother. Don't be emotional. Come on, people have to eat. Jaldi bolo.
Okay, I'll keep it short. And then I'd like to thank my beautiful family, mom, dad, Amit Bhaiya, Bhabhi, my parents, of course, who's been, with us forever, from the pregnancy to until now, and I'm sure always. There's always helped us, guided us, and were always there for us every time we needed. So thank you so much, you all. You mean a lot to us. And of course, Kian. He's our first baby. We love Anika, but Kian is our first baby. And then, what do I tell about him? There's so many. We have been for 10 years. We've known each other for 12 years. And it's been so beautiful. I am the spoiled kid of his, really. He has spoiled me with so much love, so much, everything. I have not given so much in this relationship as much as he did. And all I can do or say is a promise that I'll always be with you. I'll love you forever. And I'm looking forward to spending this life with you and making more moments. He's the best husband, best father, best son, best brother, best everything. Just to a simple gesture that I love you is, and this was not planned. This was not planned. I love you. I didn't know what he was planning for me, but I planned something small. I love you and I will always do.
All right, so I think we both like surprising each other. Swear on God, we believe in Ma Bhavani. We believe in Durga Ma. This was not planned, and I'm so glad. I'm so glad she did this. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, all our elders, people who have joined us. Special shout out going out to Shreya's Events for taking care of all our, event programming, planning, decor. I am a hands-on person, but I couldn't have done it without her. Yogi, my bestest brother. Where you at? Me Yogi G. Karma DJs, I love you. Janam, I love you. Hussein, Daniel, Naman, Daniel, D, each and every vendor, everybody, Rafat Bhai and team, all of you guys. I know it'll take me 30 minutes. I love each and every one of you. Hence, you're here tonight. Thank you so much. Lots of love to everybody. Make sure you eat, drink, party, and I want you all to please come on over here. We have some toast, which is gonna happen in a minute, Shreya. But I think now they should definitely go grab some food. Yeah, we're gonna serve some champagne. We're gonna serve it. It's already there. Acha, it's gonna come to the table. It's okay. If you don't have it, it's okay. We have so much alcohol. It's unbelievable. Have alcohol. Acha, ठीक है. Some don't have it, but I think कुछ ने पहले से पी ली. Hey, I don't have it, man. Hey, give me some more, no. It's all good. Bring it. Let's bring more. No problem. But now, we would like everyone to please go ahead and enjoy dinner, drinks. Please come back here just for like 30 minutes. ये Bollywood की item कौन है? 8:51. Come back in an hour. And we are going to dance together and have fun. Please, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. On behalf of Ajay, Deepika, Anika, the Chunchu family, the Mega Mehta family, we love you all. And here's a quick toast. Whoever has it, my super awesome models, great people who are busy in the life, they have come here. Payal, Amardeep Kaur, Rana, Yamini, Zakia, Caitlin, everybody. I love you all. Thank you, thank you. My most beautiful cousins who are more beautiful than Bollywood. Bollywood is nothing. Love you all. Real talk. Auntie, love you. Padmini Auntie. Everybody, can I see your hands up in the air? Brother, can I get some music? Everybody, I want to see this toast. Sonal, thank you for coming. Miriam, thank you for managing. Anand Chauhan, Dr. Ashima Chauhan, our favorite people in the world. Thank you for all you do. Daru ka hai bhai? Eh bhai, zara dekh ke chalo. Love you all for everything. Everyone, cheers. Thank you. Please eat, drink, but come back. Let's all dance. Thank you. Everybody, love you all.
जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए बाप मत। He has proven it. बाप एक बार नहीं 3 बार। मोहन।
Hey guys, all the men, come over here. All the men, come over here. Especially all the good-looking men. Good-looking men with good suits. Good-looking men with good suits. Please come to the stage. DJ Janam, कुछ लगाइए, आए. मतलब कुछ बजाइए गाना, आए. जैसे कि आई साला. और अपनी तो जैसे तैसे या तो फिर आई खाई का पान बना, हाँ? कौन सा वाला? रस वाला. अरे रस खत्म हो गया 10 साल पहले हमारा. अब रस कहाँ से आएगा? ये अमिताभ बच्चन है और अपनी ये सनी चिंचवाई है. आज दिन है सनी हाय. Pradeep Chunchu in the house! Hari Krishna! Brother, let's do Let's do it. I want all the people. Puneet, I love you, Puneet. Come here, Puneet Dave. One of my other besties. I love you. Parvez bhai, no leaving. Eating, food eating, drinking. Chalo, I'll see you May 7th. Let's go. Anil bhai, come on man. Hey. एक और बहुत ही खूबसूरत, thank you, जुली भाभी. एक और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लड़की आई है. Her name is Amandeep Kaur Rana. बाकी ये लोग बाद में आएंगे. दीपन, hi. Oh, इश्क तेरा. ओए ओए. Thank you. Everybody, one more time. Please go ahead and enjoy food.
तेरा मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे तू देख आज भी दिल पर कुड़िए तीर जंग जल जावे करते बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई चुना इकला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी
हेलो हेलो दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना Shake your body, girl.
No
1, 2. I want everyone, kids, come on. Get everyone in the ballroom, come closer, come here. Come closer. Come here. Devika, where you at? Come on the stage. On the dance floor. Devika, come here. Everybody. Natasha, Cherub, give me 1 second. Guys, this is not a night to sit down. Come over here. This came after a year. Everyone, come over here. Closer. We're gonna play an awesome song. Whatever Jenna wants to play, I don't care. But just be away from these cold sparkles. Hit preheat. Yeah, hit preheat. Someone move that. Can you move that in the front? That's very close to the clock. Mohan Neelam right here. Man, this guy was dancing tonight. Make some noise for Mohan Neelam! That's my family friend. No worries. Brother, that doesn't go off. It's okay, I don't care. Okay. Here we go. Everyone, Puneet, hey, don't be a stranger just because your wife is not here. Come on. You're more single. Come on over here. Yeah. Hey, Miriam, come here. Miriam, come here. I want you. Hands up in the air. Let's go. Hey, yeah. Where's the balloon? Play on the balloon. Hit it. Hey, hit it. Woo! Deepika, is your parents okay? Anika okay? Good. Look in this video camera. Everyone, look here. Everyone. 1, 2, 3. And happy to party. Jump.
कहना कुछ भी पहले दे तू warning पार्टी चलेगी till 6 in the morning जी भर के नाच ले भी नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो यार तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल हिट में जारी जिसको अपनी जान प्यारी बच्चा वो फ्लोर पे आके नाचेगा नखरे वखरे ना दिखाए बाय बाय माइकल जैक्सन मारे दो दिन एक्शन करके दिखाए पार्टी करनी है पार्टी करनी है किसी के ऊपर सेंडी करनी है
Sunny is my Sunny sister. Sunny Chichu, where you at? Turn it up. Sunny. Let's turn up the master. I want it a bit louder. Thank you, Jenna. Vichin. Look at Vichin. Look here. Everybody look here. 1, 2, and 3. Make some noise!
अच्छा लगदा जब तू कहे सारा जीना लगदा तब मेरे जैसा मिले कर भी कच
अंग्रेजी म्यूजिक में दे दे तू पंजाबी सारी दुनिया में जी हिट है पंजाबी
सोना सोना रंगे जामा बुड़का
हम लोगों की जब सांस है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना जब सांस है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना बिगड़ने की तो लगने दुनिया करने की तो लड़े दुनिया लगने की तो दुनिया उठे उठने तो पत्थर टूटे टूटने तो कोई टूटे टूटने तो ना घबरा हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों पुराना हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों पुराना Deepika!
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको खोना आबदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं बादल जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल मुश्किल से ही आसान
Lots and lots of love. I apologize if I didn't call anybody's name, but you all are here, and it's been amazing. We look forward to many more events as such. Let's all take an effort, make an effort as a family, as friends, to do this at least once in a year for anyone's celebration. Not because we want to eat, drink, because we want to celebrate together. Let's celebrate life. I love you all. From Viveka, Ajay, Anika, the Choo Choo family, the Makeup and the family. Love you all. Have a good night.
तेरे निशान मिल गए खुदी तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल मुश्किल सही आसान
దొరికిందంటే సాలు ఈ మా బుద్ధి వంకర బుద్ధి ఓ అంటావా
को मेरे बाल मेरे
देखा जो तुझे यार दिल में बजी गिटार देखा जो तुझे यार दिल में बजी गिटार चलता हाथों से प्यार दिल में बजी गिटार छा रहा कैसा ये नशा रे आ रहा जीने का मजा रे अरे मैं तो गया दिल भी गया रे अरे मैं तो गया दिल भी गया रे अरे मैं तो गया दिल भी गया रे अरे मैं तो गया दिल
ਸਿੱਧੀ ਦੇਵਾਨਾ ਪਾਲੇ ਫਿਰ ਬਾਣਾ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਰੇ ਤੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਹੱਲੇ ਸੀ ਖਾਣਾ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਅਕਰਾਮ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਮ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਉਹ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਸਕਾ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਨੇ ਬਰਾਮ ਮੁੰਡੇ